In today's video, we'll do a series of breathing exercises to bring down the level of your insomnia. Either you're unable to go to sleep, or you can go to sleep easily but you wake up after some time and you have no idea how to go back to sleep. With these breathing exercises, we'll also tackle the overactive mind. And my friends, make sure you stick around until the end to have the full benefits of this pranayama. And we're going to engage an ancient mudra called Khechari Mudra to enhance the benefits of these pranayamas. The first one is going to be the breath of fire, Kapalbhati Pranayama, to shake up this energy which is dormant in your lower chakra, your Muladhara chakra. So without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, inhale fully, exhale fully, inhale halfway, and start pumping. Exhale, exhale. More seconds, continue. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out for 30 seconds. Pull the perineum muscles up. Engage your bandhas, chin to chest. Take a revitalizing breath. Hold for 10 seconds. Amazing, beautiful. Now that we have started to shake the energy, now we're going to get into the second round of breath of fire. So let's begin. Inhale fully. Exhale. Inhale halfway. Exhale, 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 exhale. More seconds, continue. Hold the breath out. Hold the breath in for 10 seconds. And exhale. Allow your body to acclimate with the new energy. Close your eyes and focus on the third eye. Amazing job, my friends. So all the energy we have cultivated in the lower chakra, the root chakra, will start to bring it up through this breathing exercise. So I'll give you instructions and then we'll begin. So you're going to bring your palm on your shoulders, bend your elbows, and slowly exhale towards the right side. As you exhale, inhale happens automatically. So let's begin. 21 times. Exhale, exhale. And 21. Now exhale on the other side. Exhale, exhale. And 21. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Engage the root chakra and watch your energy rise up. Beautiful, my friends. Now we're going to go into the pranayama, which we are building this energy for, which is called Bramari Pranayama or humming bee breaths. So now that we have started to get this energy to move up, we're going to utilize this energy and bring it up in your third eye, this region. And as we vibrate this region, we're going to shake the endocrine system through your hypothalamus. So my friends, in Bhramari Pranayama, we're going to engage Khechari Mudra. Khechari Mudra, you take your tongue and fold it. As you fold it, you touch the tip of the tongue onto the upper palate. So as you're creating the vibration with Bramari, the humming bee breath, the Khechari Mudra is actually guiding this vibration up towards your hypothalamus. So as you're curling your tongue towards the soft palate, it reaches all the way towards your nasal cavity. This is more than just a physical action. You're actually guiding your energy upwards, reconnecting it to the higher chakras. And this brings about a sense of deep spiritual and mental clarity. This is why, my friends, this combination is very profound. And my friends, in this video, because we're focused on relieving the symptoms of sleeping disorders, we're going to do these Bhramari Pranayama 21 times. So first I'll demonstrate and then please follow along. So you're going to bring the thumb to push the protruding part of your ear. Bring the first two fingers on your eyes. And now you're going to roll the tongue and touch it at your upper palate, at the roof of your mouth. So let's begin. Inhale. after performing Bhramari Pranayama, you must notice that the whole nervous system has calmed down. So if you think the video brought a little value into your life, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, so we can stay connected. And make sure you send this video to your loved one who can also benefit from the blessings of yoga and meditation in their life. And if you haven't checked out our new meditation app where you can customize your sleep music and enhance your meditation practice, please check out the link in the description. Until next time, my name is Abhi Dugal. Namaste, peace and love.